Is it true that if everyone is doing it, it means something is okay to do? Or it's because someone is doing it for years, it is the best thing to do? When it comes to prescriptions of medications, dosage principles gonna do the same. Hey everyone, I'm Michelle. If you're new here, hi, I'm Michelle and I'm a periodontist from Indonesia. So I want to share with you a few things about prescriptions, doctor's prescriptions, either from your dentist, from specialist, anyone who work in the medical field. And I don't know if this happened outside Indonesia, but in Indonesia, where I live, dude, everyone is taking, well, not everyone, most of people are taking medications without prescriptions, thinking that they know that what they were doing is, like it is the right thing to do. Meanwhile, I'm here to tell you that please don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay, why? Because medications, why are doctors giving prescriptions for you? Because each medications, they have different results for your body, and it's interacting with your body. So what you need to know is the dosage of the medication that you are taking in, and also the time to consume. Is it twice per day? Is it one time per day? Or is it 3 times per day? And when to take it? Is it after a meal or before a meal or any time in a day? It's gonna be different from one medication to another. And another reason is because each medication, they have their own indications for each person. So one person having a cough symptoms, it doesn't mean other person gonna need the same prescription or medication because they have the same cause symptoms, or maybe they're having flu-like symptoms. It's gonna be different from each individuals regarding to the diagnosis. That is why you need doctors. That is why you need dentists. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about my t-shirt over here. As you know, over here I'm a metalhead periodontist, and today I'm using this new t-shirt from Iron Voltage. This is their latest t-shirt, and this is one of the band that I like from Indonesia. Please check them out. I really love them. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna continue. I also gonna share a bit because this problem just happened with my friends, which were we were talking in a group discussion. One of my friend is sick, and then another person is referring my friend to take this and this medication, and I was like, what are you giving those two medications from my friend? And then I was asking this person, are you a doctor? And this person say, no, I'm not a doctor, but I usually take this medication because these medications are the medications I got from a clinic and it works for me. And so because I'm a doctor, I say to this person, like, please don't suggest people to get the medication that you used to have just because it works for you. And yeah, I mean, it is that serious, everyone. Because if you're using medications out of its dosage, out of its timing, and so many things related to that, not according to the prescription that a doctor or a dentist is gonna give you, it's gonna bring you harm more than good. And even more, talking about antibiotics. What is antibiotics? These medications, just as its name, it is antibiotics. When it gives, when you consume this medication, these antibiotics, it works because it goes anti to some certain of biotic. some kinds of bacteria. So it is, if it's not targeting that bacteria specifically that your doctors and dentists know, it is not gonna work. And it is gonna fighting other bacteria that is not related to your disease. So it's gonna cause harm. It's gonna be a disaster. And even more, the thing with antibiotics, what you need to know is that besides the dosage, it is when the time to taking it, and then the time you need to take the antibiotics. Maybe it's for 3 days, maybe it's for 5 days, maybe it's just 4 days, or maybe it could be prolonged until 10 days. Nobody knows except the doctor that diagnose you. Why? Because later it's gonna cause you having a resistance to an antibiotics. And man, having a resistance to a certain kind of antibiotics, it's just give pain to all the doctors. Not just a doctor that is gonna treat you or did treat you in the past, but so please. And it is hard to cure the resistance of the antibiotics, because it means we cannot give you that antibiotics anymore. And so, maybe we could give you other antibiotics that is more expensive, or maybe there is no cure for that. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It depends. But please don't take antibiotics just by yourself. Please take it by prescriptions. I think in Indonesia nowadays we have a regulation so that people without prescriptions, they cannot buy antibiotics anymore. But still, some people are selling it online and people are buying it. I mean, I'm seeing by myself. So that's it. That's what I want to share for today. If you guys have any more questions or having an insight, or you want to comment, please comment below in the comment box. And see you next time. Okay, take care. Bye.